That's right, everybody. This is the first snowstorm we had here in where I'm living, but actually it's the second. This is the longest one ever. I'm showing you basically what's going around me. This is no ordinary snowstorm. Yeah, it may be fun for some people, but a lot of accidents occurred this morning. One of which is someone hit into a tree and knocked it right over, and there's a double car collision. I'm checking the camera here. So, hey, you seeing this all right? Yeah, look how big the flakes are that's coming down. This state usually doesn't have this much snow, but yeah, I haven't seen snow like this in ages. I would go out in the open in the snow, but there's a power outage right now at this time, and I'm unable to run my errands, do some banking. But yeah, it's crazy. Well, at least it looks like winter, and not that nasty dry, warm weather that's been going on the beginning of this month. I mean, who wants that in the winter time? At least it's looks more like winter than before. Why we couldn't have this kind of snow in December is beyond me. But I guess better late than never, right? Right. So I know people are going to be building snowmen around my neighborhood, but I won't be able to see them, unfortunately. Wow, this is some heavy snowstorm we're getting. Yeah, I ride my car out today, but I don't have any chains on my wheels. And after the accident's been going on this around my town, I don't want to propose taking a risk. Well, yeah, that's my point right there. But it's beautiful when you look at it, you know. But if you drive this time, it's kind of dangerous. So let me know how it is where you're living. Let me know what the snow's like in your area. So I'm just showing you what the snow's like in mine. Yeah, there's some footprints in the snow too. It's pretty crazy, but it's supposed to be winter. This is what it should be like. Yeah, I got my jacket unzippered and I'm kind of shivering right now. I can do this as much as I can. But yeah, there you go. There's a lot of places here that's covered in snow, and I just hope, once again, I hope my food doesn't spoil by the time the power comes back on. Yeah, I called the power company, and they're not sure what the estimate is to getting the power back on. So I'm going to be stuck without electricity for, I don't know, hours or so. Hopefully not. But there you have it. The biggest snowstorm in years. It's never had this much snow before where I'm living. This is the first time, actually. The first time in January 1st. Yeah, it was pretty thick. Pretty much this thick, but not this long. This has been going on since this morning. Well, alright, I'm gonna cut it from here, but I just thought you get a kick out of this horrendous snowstorm. And once I finish this video, I'll be uploading it soon. The sooner I get the power back on my internet and everything else. So, alright, talk to you guys later.